So this is me wetting my hair, getting all of those dry strands wet. I believe this is in the kitchen. Why, I don't know. I think it might be the tub was getting painted or something that day. And we're wetting and we're wetting. And here we are wetting again. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. It takes a little bit of time, so remember to give yourself time to do this. And this is where you're seeing that the strands are actually getting saturated and there is conditioner going in my hair. I'm putting it all the way to the mid-lengths. I'm putting it towards the back, making sure that it's not missing any conditioner. The one I use is Matrix Mega Sleek right now. There's other ones that I also like, which I can go over in the next future videos. So here I am combing through my hair with my hands, making sure it's everywhere, making sure the water is just hitting all over my strands, around my scalp, really making sure that I'm not missing a spot. And here is me going all the way to the top, to the roots, and doing the prayer hands sprinkle motion, which is usually what I would do in the tub. So I did not put the conditioner all the way to the roots, but you do want it to put up to mid-length and then splash the water so that the water brings the conditioner everywhere. So a myth for a lot of curly hair women is that we need to rinse out the conditioner, which is not true. I will be keeping it in there after splashing some water. And here is where we are parting the hair after washing it. It should be very wet and soaked. This is how I want the hair to set after it's done. And I'm combing through it with a wide-toothed comb, both sides. Again, something that could be done in the shower, but today we're doing it in the kitchen sink. Next, we're going to take a scrunchie, and as you can see, my shirt is extremely soaked, so you can tell this is not the place to be doing this, but it's okay. And we're going to be brushing out that hair. That's a Denman brush. We're going outwards, we're not going inwards. We're putting tension on the hair, like almost like a scissors, like a ribbon when you're using ribbon and using scissors to get the coils in the ribbon. And now we're going in with some gel, which is the LA Hold Styling Gel from Giovanni, which is one of the ones I use, and I really like this. And we did not rinse out the conditioner. We kept it in. And we're going in with dabbing it and scrunching, dabbing it and scrunching, making sure we hit all of the parts of the hair because we don't want to miss a beat. Because when we miss a strand, you know how they get frizzy, and that's not what we want as curly girls. And we're scrunching upwards to help gravity. And then we're using this Carol's Daughter Curl Shaping Cream Gel as well as a second gel to add more hold to my curls. So we're layering, and we're also, that was fast. Now we're done with the gel. So I sped that up. this is. So we made it to the top. As you can see, the strands are clumping. I'm doing some finger coiling. I might have done some finger coiling that day to the bottom as well, or I used just the Denman brush to add some pressure to the brush and just shook those strands a little bit, like wiggle them like noodles. And I'm just making my way all the way to the back, where oftentimes we miss and we can't see in the back. So I'm really trying to get in there. And this takes patience, y'all. As you can see, it was a hot summer day. This was feeling great because it was hot, the fan was running, and my hair needed this. Because in the summertime, our curls get pretty dry. And last but not least, put your hair in a microfiber towel, and you're done. After 20 minutes, you can let it go. And thanks for watching.